Story of sh sound. Let's see. This is Shaggy the sheep. He wake up and he wants to go for brush. Now he wants to take a bath, shower with shampoo, shower with shampoo. Ooh. Oh, who is she? Shiny the fish. Why you are looking scared? Oh my god, a shark. Shark was chasing you. Yes, you are right, but don't afraid. Shaggy will help you. Am I right, Shaggy? Yes. Very good, Shaggy. Be always good friend of Shiny. Let's share your dish. Share your dish. Okay, now Shaggy wants to sleep.
Shh, shh.
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh.
Sheep. Sh, fish. Ship. Shampoo. Brush. Shark. Shelf. Shoe. Shirt. Shell. Sh. Look, S and H. When S and H comes together, it's sh. Sh. O. P. Shop. 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 Sh. E. P. Sh. E. P. Ship. Let's learn other words. Ship. Shin. Shit. Shot. Shed. Shop. You know, friends, sh sound also comes in the end of the words. Let's see these words. Fish. Cash. Dash. Dish. Wish. Rush. Thank you.